Hi everyone, Fariba here. Welcome back to my cozy corner of knitting joy. Today we are diving into a fun and practical project, adding a lining to the inside of your knitted hat. Let's dive in. Here is what you will need. A soft warm fabric like fleece or flannel, basic sewing supplies, scissors, thread, needle, and a measuring tape. Let's get started. Measure your hat by taking the height from the crown to just above the brim, right here. Add about 2 centimeters to that measurement for seam allowance at both the top and bottom. I only added 1 centimeter and I ended up regretting it. Next, measure the circumference of the brim and add about 2 centimeters to that as well. Trace your measurement onto the fabric and cut it out. I've already got mine cut. Now take your circumference measurement and divide it by 5. For example, if your circumference is 58, you will get 11.6 centimeter. Now fold the fabric vertically in half and make a small vertical cut about 3 centimeter or 2 inches along the folded edge. Next, use your measuring tape to mark the divided circumference measurement, example 11.6, across the top edge of the fabric and make 2 more small vertical cuts in a row. From these markings, we're gonna create a crown-shaped fabric by cutting about 5 shallow right triangles from the rectangular piece. Start at the first section and cut a gentle curve downward from one mark to the next, forming a dip or notch. Repeat this process for all the sections, connecting the points to create a wave-like pattern. For the 2 edge sections, cut a single shallow curve to shape the fabric's end. This is the final look you're gonna get. Step 3 is sewing the lining. Now sew the sides and top of the fabric together, leaving the bottom open. For now, I'll hand sew using a needle and colored thread, and later I'll reinforce the edges with a sewing machine. If you don't have a sewing machine or aren't comfortable using one, it's perfectly fine to hand sew. Just make sure to use a small sturdy stitches for a neat and durable stitch. Once that's done, turn it right side out. Slip the lining inside your hat, ensuring the seam aligns neatly. Fold the bottom edge of the lining under about half an inch and pin it just above the brim to keep it hidden. Use a simple hand stitch to sew the lining to the hat, making sure to keep the stitches loose enough so the hat remains stretchy. As before, I'll start by hand sewing and then reinforce it with my sewing machine. If you are only hand sewing, that's perfectly fine. Just focus on making neat and secure stitches. Once it's all sewn in, check for any loose spots and secure them. Snip any straight threads. Now you got a warm, comfy hat with a polished, professional look on in the side. Thanks so much for crafting with me today. If you try this out, let me know how it went. I'd love to hear from you guys. And if you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more fun and creative knitting ideas. Up until next time, happy crafting and stay cozy.